Google Chrome. Once we're at Google Chrome, we're gonna use the website Starry AI, where you can search it, or where you can search it on Google, or just search starryai.com. So as you can see on the homepage of the website is where you can use also the application, or just click create on the website. You can either log in using your Google Chrome or Apple ID. As you use your Google Chrome account, as you log in, you can use the create button by clicking it, and it will bring you to select AI. Let's say Argo. Let's create an Argo. Then you can select what art style do you want to see. Let's select aristocrat, matte painting. All the first layer, you can search it. You can use it or whatever you want. Josan Gonzalez, Dan Munford, or other art style of other people. I've selected 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I selected 6. You can either upload an image where it can generate a reference, let's say 8 pictures, add another creation. Oh, you have to enter a prompt. Let's give it as the world caves in. That's our prompt. So let's create another one where the art style is just one art style. Let's say Seb Monkins. Then let's upload a picture using a picture now. I uploaded a picture of mine to use. So now let's create. As you press create, you just have to wait some minutes. This creation costs 4 credits, so let's remove 1. Now you can use it because it only costs 2 credits. This website has the inflict of using credits, where you can earn it by exactly using just the app. So now here is the previous one that I generated. End of the World is my title, and the art style is Aristocrat, Kilaneng, Dan Manford, Peter Manboch. So here are the AIs that it showed. And the other one is just a normal AI with no filters, just the method of Argo. So we have here the planets. It's like giving you graphics design that the end of the world is coming. So here now we got my picture that it generated to an AI. See? You can even... Oh, sorry. Application error. My creation. Let's go back to my creation. So I have 4 filters that tends to give out as the world caves in prompt with all these genres or art style, or some of it tend to change me as a woman, some of it keeps me as a man. I like this one. So that's how this AI works. It generates your picture or something that you want to create with just one art style, matte painting, and let's create one just by asking the AI to create an own art style, or just an own prompt. It will generate by its own. Here you can claim some credits by claiming here, or just by waiting for 9 p.m. every day to get an initial update for credits here. So now it generated me an AI where the world caves in slowly by slowly. It generated by its own the own application. So hi, I'm currently on my phone on my mobile device so that I can show you one AI that I am using as well. Sometimes and sometimes you can see it in social medias, and people often use this. So one AI is in TikTok application where you can watch videos that people created, videos that people tends to do just to, you know, let's say gain popularity, give entertainment to people, and even show what's interesting in the world right now. So also TikToks and other social medias now are used for daily news. Instead of still having a newspaper, you can even research the news articles today, you know. So right now in the app, what you want to do is click on add, or you can even search it, searching for AI filter. You can even search for it, and here you have pretty much three AI that you can use. So right now you can use AI manga, AI portrait. Here you can see me. You can see me. So as tapping the screen initiates creating you as an AI. As you can see, it created me, changed me to an AI, of an anime. And you can even use other types of filters here. Sorry, my camera is not that good. So as you can see, it turns me into some fictional character that in medieval age or some ages. So yeah, AI in TikTok tends to relocate your face and even create your own character. So it's like drawing you in a way. See, it will draw you into an anime or into other generated AI, like a unique character or something that you can also use as a reference to create your own character when you're starting something. So that is the application in TikTok. And here you can see some videos.
Trying the AI filter.
You can see some videos that people does using this AI. So, now so as you can say, AI is really taking over social media, or even, as you will say, the internet. Hi, I am again currently on my mobile device. I still have another application that I want to showcase as an AI creative thing that you can also use again, which is Faceplay. The first one was TikTok. Now we have another one, which is Faceplay, where you can use to create your video or a picture AI of you or a pet or whatever you wanna create. So let's open the application. First and foremost, you will be given this. You will. So as you get to the application, you will be tend to see some like TikTok page or social media type of page or Instagram page where people use this application to create their AI or change something in their video as a filter or as other filters or an AI filters. So right now, what I want to show is anime AI filters. Here you will see
Some filters tends to be not free, where you can see on the top right corner of every filter there's a check mark diamond icon that is paid, so you cannot really use that freely. What you can use is are these ones with the play button on the top right, which will just show you a 30-second ad or a minute ad, just so you can use the filter for free. So right now we're gonna use one without any icon on the top right, so we can use it for free, fully free, and just to showcase how to use it. So right now you can use camera or even use some pictures that you already have in your mobile device. Let's try to use camera. So right now it will show me, and I will just need to arrange properly, put my face in the middle. This will make the AI see read my face properly, so it can create the AI for me. So right now it's finished. You just have to wait, and it turned me into a girl. But yeah, that's how it works. So it will show you the AI that it generated for your picture that you took or that you want to use. So let's say I have me and my girlfriend. Yeah, me and my partner. So let's use this picture and make an AI out of the picture. So it only generates one person, which has the proper face, which has the full face, I'm sorry, not proper, but full face without any cover in the face, and it can only generate one person. But there are some other filters that tends to read to people, like this one. So let's try this one and put the picture back in, or maybe me and my colleagues in my internship. Let's use this picture. Let's use this. There you go. So now it generated an AI, but it's not really proper. And you can distinguish an AI with a real drawing because it will not be fully like functional or something. It turned me into a girl again. So yeah, that's how the face play AI generates.
Thanks, Adrian. So now we get to the important question in this session. Will AI art take over to the creative design industry? Well, the answer is that no. Artists won't be in jeopardy against the AI arts, and here's why. 1. AI models are only learning to replicate or recreate images. Images cannot be explained or given context by them. It's a foreseeable future, artificial intelligence system will not be able to take the role of creative professionals. 2. WIP is the only one thing can be beaten. Yes, WIPs or working in progress is the one thing can be encountered. Without any proof or a raw file that you truly did by yourself, AI arts will be a brainless creative art. Lastly, AI arts are meant to be entertainment, not as a business. It's really fair to say that these AI apps or any application are meant to entertain our leisure time. But when it comes to creating an artwork and it comes from AI, do not treat it as a commission or a cut-throat business. Humans are still better when creating any valuable ideas. In this world, technology continues